What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Good to see you all again. As you know from the last video, I'm not an AMC YouTuber. I am a holder of AMC, but we're going to cover it for at least the next couple days. I'm really interested as to where it's sitting on the charts. I think it's primed to take off, and I figured now would be a good time to really talk about it. So, like I said, probably tomorrow, I guess, is going to be our decision-making time. So if it's going good, we'll probably keep talking about it. And if not, we'll just keep holding it or whatever the game plan is. But just wanted to touch back in and show you guys that we are still in what I'm waiting for a breakout for. So after hours pre-market actually sitting really nice. I think where we're sitting just gives us a nice room to make an open. As far as the open goes, kind of looking somewhere in between 969, of course it is, in 983. So I want to see us pull off an open in between there, see what kind of volatility comes in, get a quick pump above 10. I know you guys always wonder if people hold. I do hold. I'm not one that cares if you see it, so if you want to see it, there we go with TD. I've been an original 801, which there's my calls in Webull for the week. I always play weeklies. Just you never know. And this week looked good. So what is this? This is public. Moo SoFi maybe? And then some Webull position. So I am here with you guys. I do have a position. I do like the stock. And do not let that make any kind of impact on what your decision is, whether you want to hold, buy, sell, whatever you want to do. Doesn't matter to me. I've been here since 801 the original time. I guess we're all 801s now, and we're just going from there. So we all either like the stock or we're at least interested in it. So what I'm looking for really is what we went over already for the open, and I want to see us push 984 would be a nice support level to help get us into that $10 range, from $10 to 1044. And then I'd like to see us break out above those psychological levels, which 1050, 11, 1150, 12. But I do think we are set up for a run if this goes well. I think the market's set us up nice too, because I was saying there should be a recovery in the SPY. Today it didn't really happen the way we wanted it to, but overall AMC did hold up good, and I think the SPY is still set where it needs to give us a little bit of a bounce back into the bullish territory for the short term. So let's see if that helps us along with AMC and what we can do tomorrow. I'm hoping that it is fireworks. I think this is probably one of the better setups that we've had for a long time. Whether it's actually this week or next week, I'm not sure. We might be just a fuzz early, and then who knows? You know, it's one of those unpredictable things, but I like to try to bring a little bit of predictability to those unpredictable things whenever I can. It's more of what I'm into, is just the volatile plays that have a lot of hype around them. Yeah, and this is one, but I think the YouTube community is already full with, you know, their YouTubers and who they want to listen to and who they trust, and I get that. It's been going on for a long time, which is why I'm not even trying to crowd into that space, but we will talk about it from time to time. It's just not a focus around here. I want to see what happens, though, because I think that this is an interesting play, at least for this week or next, and I do like to talk about the interesting plays. So we are still sitting primed and ready, and I do think tomorrow morning we should see whether we're going to be able to pump this thing or if it's going to fall down and we're just going to sit here and ride for a little while longer. But overall, the volume for the day, I like to see that we're having some low volume days, you know, 22 million, roughly 25 million. So nice couple low volume days. I'm waiting for when the big money wants to strike, and maybe they're seeing a form of weakness right now with not having a whole lot of action, and we know that the volatility's been a little bit lower than it has been and where it likes to bounce from. So keep an eye on it, whether you like it or not, whether you're a diamond hander or not. You know, I don't care. I always say I don't come down on anybody. It's your money, it's your play, it's your decision. But we will see where it goes. I'm interested, and I think you guys are too. So have a good evening, guys. Thanks for coming back and watching another one. You're welcome to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you wish. As always, stay golden, people, and may your accounts stay green.